Welcome to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for the latest in tech innovations. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the all-new Fimi X8T drone, a game-changing DJI alternative that comes loaded with not one, but three advanced cameras, including a cutting-edge thermal vision camera. And if you're a drone enthusiast or professional looking for versatile aerial imaging, then this is a device you need to know about, because the Fimi X8T is designed to deliver exceptional performance. In a single package, the drone features a wide-angle camera equipped with a half-inch Sony sensor offering a stunning 48MP resolution, a 13-megapixel telephoto camera with a focal length of 120 millimeters, a significant upgrade from the typical 24 millimeters that allows you to zoom in with remarkable clarity, and most impressively, a built-in thermal vision camera with a resolution of 640 by 480 pixels, which is perfect for detecting hotspots, identifying thermal bridges, or even tracking game during hunting scenarios. And this multi-camera setup is complemented by a picture-in-picture feature that lets you view images from all the sensors side by side, providing a comprehensive perspective of your surroundings. Weighing in a minimum of 373 grams, 0.82 pounds, the Fimi X8T no longer falls into the sub-250G category, meaning it's built with a more robust structure that ensures durability without compromising on agility. And depending on the battery configuration, you can expect a flight time ranging from 38 to 47 minutes per charge, which is impressive for a drone in this category. And the Fimi X8T is engineered to withstand winds of up to 27 miles per hour, reach speeds of up to 27 miles per hour, and climb an impressive rate of 11 miles per hour, all of which ensure that it can perform reliably even in challenging conditions. Further enhancing its performance, the drone transmits high-quality video using the Link 5.0 system, which boasts a transmission range of up to 12.4 miles and a low latency of just 120 milliseconds. So whether you're flying in open spaces or navigating through urban environments, you can expect smooth, reliable connectivity. And thanks to its integrated GNSS, the Fimi X8T can follow predetermined routes automatically, making an excellent tool for professional mapping and surveying applications. While the option to install a 4G module, although subject to local regulations, adds another layer of versatility for those who need real-time data. Connectivity even when away from Wi-Fi networks. Controlled easily through a dedicated smartphone app, the Fimi X8T puts all its powerful features at your fingertips. Although Fimi has yet to reveal its pricing or official release date, this groundbreaking drone is already creating a buzz among tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. And with its innovative triple camera system, which combines high-resolution wide-angle telephoto and thermal imaging capabilities, the Fimi X8T is poised to become a formidable competitor to established brands like DJI, offering users a robust and feature-rich alternative that excels in both recreational and professional applications. Whether you're capturing breathtaking aerial footage, conducting thermal inspections, or engaging in advanced mapping and surveying tasks, the Fimi X8T promises a new level of versatility and performance. And as we await further details on its official launch, it's clear that Fimi is setting a new standard in drone technology, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in aerial imaging and autonomous flight. So if you're looking to upgrade your drone game and experience cutting-edge technology that offers both precision and innovation, keep your eyes on the Fimi X8T, and don't forget to stay tuned to TechVerse for more exclusive updates and in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets. This is TechVerse, signing off.